Hello, Bill Sherrill here for another All About the Car tip with Megan in Weston. Good morning. So getting ready for winter, since it's right around the corner, unfortunately.
It is.
What should we be looking for tires and getting the vehicle ready for winter?
Yeah, absolutely. So before winter, it's always a good idea to do a general check over of the overall condition of your tires. You want to recheck tread depths, air pressure, make sure that they're in really good shape. Obviously, we're going to need that better traction. A good place to find a lot of that information is on the inside of your door jamb on the driver's side. There's going to be a yellow and white sticker that's going to give you all kinds of information. It's going to tell you what pressure your tires should be set at, including your spare tire, what size tire you have. That's really where you want to run those tires, on top of really checking those tread depths. Definitely doing those general inspections before winter here is definitely the most important thing. And we always welcome our guests to stop in at any point, and we can definitely help them do that and show them where that sticker is on their vehicle as well.
Because it's on the door or
on this jamb here, correct.
Okay. And how do I check a tread depth? Just in general, like I look at my tire and go, oh, it's good or bad.
Well, you have two ways. There's always the rule of Lincoln's head, so you can take a penny and then you want to look. You don't want to be able to see all of Lincoln's head. So once you can see the top of his hairline, that's usually a good time to start getting those replaced. Otherwise, like I said, you can always stop in. We have digital tread depth gauges. You can pick them up at local parts stores, that sort of stuff as well. So.
Fantastic. Thank you, Megan, for all this information, and we'll be ready for winter, right?
We will.
Perfect. See you next time.